Now we're left with history, where you want to allow a user to keep track of all of their transactions. They want to see whenever they sold something, whenever they bought a stock, and we want to specify the time at which they did that, as well as how many stocks they bought and what share it was. Now, we might ask ourselves, do we have any current existing structure that specifies that information? Well, we do have portfolio, and that displays the number of stocks that a user has for a given share. But we're structuring portfolio in the way that it updates whenever we buy multiple. So if you buy Apple, 10 shares of it, and then later on sell 5, then in history you would want to see those separately as separate actions, whereas that action in our portfolio would just be an update. So we're probably going to want another table. In our database, we have our users table and we have our portfolio table. So now let's add a history table. And that history table can keep track of the current date of the transaction, as well as the particular stock symbol and how many shares, and then what action it is, whether you were buying those shares or whether you were selling them. You can store the timestamp of the transaction in SQL using now or current timestamp when you execute a buy or a sell.